Assalamu alaikum grade 8th. As you know that we have started our chapter number 1 and it was done. Now we are doing exercise. First 3 questions I have given you as an assignment. Now we are on question number 4. A group of sailors on a board a ship suffered from bleeding gums. सबको क्या बीमारी है? They are suffering from bleeding gums. उनके मसूड़ों में से ब्लड निकलता है. Now what deficiency diseases could they have suffered from? आपके ख्याल से कौन सी disease they could have? Now suggest 2 types of food which should be included in the diets to prevent such a disease. और उनको क्या खाना चाहिए to prevent that disease. Okay, now you will get its answer on page number 8. And here is bleeding gums. So you will see from here, you will make the answer by yourself. You will say that which deficiency is there and which food they should take to avoid that disease. Okay, now question number 5 is there. Suggest. Now your suggestion is needed. Why an adolescent like you, आपकी तरह का नौजवान या एक बच्चा needs more energy than an elderly person, एक बूढ़े इंसान से उसको ज़्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए होती है. Why? So this is you will think about it. It will not be on the book that why do you need more energy than your grandparents. Okay, so you can easily find the answer by thinking. Okay, now the question number 6 is what is digestion? Why is there a need for digestion? Digestion definition is present in the book. You will write that. And why there is need for digestion? As you know that we need energy and we need the food to get absorbed in the blood. And how it can be absorbed? So it can be absorbed only by the process of digestion. If there is no digestion, so we cannot get the energy from the food that we have taken. Okay, so you can write the answer by your word. Now question number 7 is there. What is the purpose of breaking up food into smaller piece in physical digestion? Physical digestion पहले explain करोगे आप that what is physical digestion? That in physical digestion only mouth movement is there, like we take the food into our mouth and that by that physical digestion, by chewing up the food would be the larger molecules will be changed into smaller pieces. And what is the purpose for that? So that it can pass through from our esophagus. अगर हम बड़े बड़े नवाले लेंगे और इसको as it is गुजारने की कोशिश करेंगे तो that cannot be gone through our esophagus. So we need to churn it, we need to chew up that food to change it into smaller pieces and then it will go through our esophagus. Okay, I have given you the idea. You will give the answer in your own words. Now there is question number 8. What are digestive enzymes? Give 3 examples of digestive enzymes and briefly describe their specific function. We have read in the reading, digestive enzymes are those who help in the digestion. Okay, who you can say that who turn the digestion process very quickly. And what are those? You can have the you can do the reading and you can get the names from there. Like there was amylase and there were protease enzyme, there were lipase enzymes and many other enzymes are there. You will take only 3 and you will specifically write their functions. Okay, now question number 9 is there. How do villi help to increase the absorption of digested food into the bloodstream? So you have seen that what is the villi's construction, उसकी बनावट कैसी होती है. You will do the reading and you will get the answer from there that how they are providing the larger surface area for absorbing more food. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा food absorb करने के लिए वो एक बहुत बड़ा larger surface area provide करते हैं ताकि food digest हो सके और blood stream में हमारे blood में शामिल हो सके. Okay, now question number 4 to 9 you will do on your notebooks and you will send the snapshot to me in the assignment corner. Okay, Now we will do the next question in the next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.